Hey, what's up guys? I'm back for another video. Last time we left off, we were in Belgium again, and Ratchet left open the garage door. Wow. Talk about irresponsible. What the hell are these things? They look like jelly almost. Oh, they're cute though. Ew. I take it back, they're not cute. What's this?
Large gaps where child's play to Ratchet. All you would need to get across is a trusty swing shot and a little bravado.
Okay, bam. Oh, bam. Woo!
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Yay.
Nice! A combustor!
A combustor, that's what you called it?
Ratchet basked in the freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
Okay. So I fuse weapons like this. 20 ammo. And bam. That was easy.
Impressive shooting.
Thank you, Clank. Ooh, look, Clank is a little backpack. Nice. And what do I need to do to... Do I need to do this? Oh.
Nice work.
That's how it works. Oh, crap. One of those guys. Shit. Ew. These guys look like freaking dinosaurs.
What are they doing here?
Well, bye.
I have information in my databanks that poses a threat to Chairman Drek. He must have tracked my position to your planet, so he could get it back.
He tracked you here? Shit.
Grim, listen.
Crap.
I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Copy that, Ratchet.
Okay, Grim, you do your job while I shoot these motherfuckers.
Bad way, hurt, confused,
Ah,
and
shit.
alone. He scoured the Kizzle Plateau for signs of nanotech.
Oh crap, I am badly hurt. Shit. Yes, you are.
I think that's all of them.
Shit, I need nanotech. Fast. That's still not enough. I need more. Is there any more? Come on, there has to be more. Well, fuck. Okay, let's get over here. Get the fuck out of my way. And then... Wheel!
Whoa!
Here.
Is that a Blarg dropship?
Whoa.
Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as the Dropship of Death.
Dropship of death. Oh, that's just great. Oh crap. I'm gonna use fusion grenade. Fusion. Ah! Blow it! There we go. Okay, blow it! Fuck. Good. Oh crap, I have 1% of my left health left. I'm almost on for it. Why did I throw it over there? Go, 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 go. Okay, so I only have 36 ammo now. Fuck! I'm dead! Fuck you. Swing over here. And somehow I do not find this a rip-off of Sonic Boom.
Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as the Dropship of Death.
Great.
Yeah, that is just great, Ratchet. Come on, guy. Yeah. Fusion grenade. Fusion hot. Fusion hot. Fusion it. Ah! Fusion up! Fusion up! Come on, let's go. You can beat this guy. Oh, well. Bye, motherfucker.
Ratchet.
He's dead. Oh, good. We got more notes and bolts. Okay, let's get more. Oh, no. Oh crap, he's not attacking us. Good. Okay. Swing over here. Whee! Whee! Don't look down, Ratchet. Okay, there's our garage.
We gotta look for some defect. It's not that bad. Got clean air, warm heat of the sun. This is nature. We never had any of this back on. What? What happened?
What?
Just got bit by a mosquito.
Really?
The size of that thing?
Come on, mosquitoes aren't that bad. You literally just hit it. Bam!
The Blarg are
And
all
back.
over Grimm's
Back.
garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up until the coast is clear.
Okay, good.
hold tight,
I'll
Grim.
just get
I
rid of
got
these
this.
guys. Yeah, Ratchet, we got this. And I did not know that was an explosive. It seems I don't got this. Well, seems I gotta make it over there to get some more ammo. Shit, okay. Let's go. Okay, my ammo's full, apparently. And throw it.
I've got you on holovid. There are more enemies moving in.
Okay, that was a great job.
Dropship detected.
Okay.
More bots.
Oh, crap.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere.
Okay, come on, let's shoot these guys. Just bob and weed. Just bob and weed.
Sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
Slow-mo. So cool. Okay, let's do this. Oh, crap. I got 1% health left. I can still do this.
What's this?
And no, I apparently cannot. Okay, sure. Okay, let's do some fusion grenade this time. Okay, in the middle. Okay, how did that not take out the other guy? Okay, it didn't take out both of them apparently.
The Blarg are all over Grimm's garage. Grim, are you okay?
Blarg? Oh, that's what they're called. Okay.
Opening up until the coast is clear.
Just
Whoa.
hold tight, Grim. I got this.
I'm not risking that. Okay. I got this. Come on, Ratchet, we got this. We gotta do this. Oh shit, I'm in a fucking war zone. Fuck!
Incoming
They're
dropship
shooting at me.
detected.
Crap. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I hope you're not spawning more. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy you. I don't want to risk more enemies coming here.
Shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled.
I'm pretty sure it's more of a mess out here, thank you very much.
Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up last week?
Yeah, sorry about that. Got
Beginner's Guide to Quantum.
Okay then, okay, alright. Just shoot me dead while I'm talking. Okay, that's super. What? Wait, okay, apparently that takes 4 of my health. I now got tracked down now, and maybe too late for that. Fuck. Fuck. Shit. Fuck
Just
you.
hold tight, Grim.
Okay,
I got
okay,
this.
okay. Let's get some more ammo. And now okay. Alright. Whole freaking place is surrounded. Ah shit, this is so hard to dodge. Dodge! Whoa. This is really hard to dodge, guys.
There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
Crap. Fuck. Don't dare spawn one.
More bots.
Seriously, I'm going to die.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts.
Excuse me, I really don't think we should be talking about that now.
last week.
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
Beginner's Guide to Quantum Burst Engines.
Just throw that anywhere. I have it bookmarked.
What's this? Fun with singularity.
We really shouldn't be talking about this. Shit, I only have a few people left. Oh, whoa! Oh my god, that was a very lucky shot. Fuck, I need more.
Really, I
now.
just take the pictures
Crap.
and then...
Ah, fuck. Okay, I just wasted a bullet, but whatever.
The Blarg are all over Grimm's garage. Grimm, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up until the coast is clear.
Just hold tight, Grimm. I got this.
Yeah, hold tight, Grim. While I just waste my life constantly dying here. I have a feeling we'll be able to get through this if we just try harder. And just stick to these routes. I have a lot of ground to cover. Oh, okay, and shoot them! No, shoot them!
I've got you on holovid. There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
Oh crap. Okay, here's a freaking dropship of death again.
More bots.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess.
Oh my god, why do you keep talking about this? This is clearly not the time. I'm being shot at. Why don't you help me for once? To get your off your fat ass. Oh, slow-mo is still cool. Okay. Now, let's do this. Come on, Ratchet, let's go.
Fun with singularities and other cataclysmic events.
That's really more for educational purposes.
Are you sure?
It's always good to meet a fellow academic.
Really, I just need the pictures and then, you know, wing it.
Let's get all these quick, they're gonna shoot at us. Okay. Get out! Fuck, oh my god, this must be what it'd be like in World War II, when you were constantly being shot at by the other freaking army. Like, this is literally World War II in a nutshell. Here we go.
All right, Grimm.
Fuck you.
Coast is clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet, what in Sony's name just exploded?
Sorry
The
about that, Grimm.
dropship?
Listen, get my tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at.
Interesting. What kind of factory is this?
My factory.
This? No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Yeah, let's get you fixed up. And where are we gonna do that? Okay,
Once they
cutscene
were
time.
safe, Clank explained Drek's plan to attack the Hall of Heroes. With the
Hall of
Galactic
Heroes?
Rangers out of the equation, Ratchet knew he had to help, even though neither he nor Clank had the upper body strength necessary for hero work.
Fuck
can
you, I
totally
have
help.
total strength.
I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No,
Fuck you, I'm not a
just
civilian.
The Rangers are actually
he gets
my,
it.
Friends.
Friends,
Why do you think
they
I have
just
so many
denied you.
pictures of them?
But why are you not in any of them?
Well,
Oh.
someone had to take the picture, right? I mean, come on. I even have a ship.
A rundown ship.
Disassemble so it can infiltrate enemy strongholds. So what do you say? That's strange. I'm picking up something from Navalis.
It appears to be some sort
What's
of
Navalis?
distress signal, but it is being jammed using a Blargian signal dampener.
Oh crap, are we being... Oh crap. Should we only fuck... Okay.
Don't worry. The computer would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash.
Really? You didn't see that?
To record your last will and testament.
Admittedly,
What?
that's not super promising.
Okay, why would it... Wait, what planet is this? Navalis. Okay, whoa, the place looks like it's going to shit. That is a nice statue, by the way. Oh, looks like we crash landed.
Well, it's damaged, but I fixed worse.
Are you
Come on.
sure?
Maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
Whoa. How are we gonna find
Wait a
someone who can
second,
repair
is that
stuff in
Raritanium?
this mess?
Maybe we should
Crap.
upgrade our weapons first.
Oh, a vendor. I'm not wasting my thing in full health.
Here's where you pick your weapon. You're gonna need Raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells.
Okay.
These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain.
Oh, well, it's a chain upgrade. That's good. So like multiple upgrades for
Alright, just confirm the
That's a nice
transaction and
system.
the deal's done.
bonus balls was Veritarium. Heck yeah. Makes the weapon hurt more. More pain, more gain. I think it's more pain, more game. Or is it no pain, no game? I think it's both.
Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost.
Thank you very much,
There is
sir.
to it.
Whoa. Can I get stuff for the fusion grenade? Get more ammo. Yeah, please. Need danger zone even larger? That's good.
That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. I upgraded my fusion grenade. Okay. Let's go find some people who help fix our ship. And okay, I can't enter here. Do I go in there? Here. I'm gonna go this way first. You never know. Look at all these mushrooms. Oh.
Holding his breath.
It's like I know how to swim.
Lomax delves the depths of deepness.
Oh